What are states in Adobe XD prototyping and how do they work? Imagine clicking a button and watching it change color or shape instantly. That's what states in Adobe XD help you do. They make your prototypes feel more real and interactive. In Adobe XD, states are different versions of a single component. Instead of creating separate buttons or menus for each look, you can make one component with multiple states. This keeps your design organized and easy to update. The first state is called the default state. It shows how the component looks normally, without any interaction. For example, a button's normal appearance. Next, you can add a new state. This could be a pressed or disabled version of the button. You create it once and then link it to interactions in your prototype. It doesn't change automatically. You set up how users switch to it. The hover state is special. When you add it, Adobe XD automatically wires the interaction so that when someone moves their mouse over the button, it changes to this hover look. You don't have to set up the link manually for this. Toggle states are great for elements like checkboxes or switches. They let you define two or more states that switch back and forth when clicked or tapped. For example, a toggle button that turns on and off. To create states, you first turn an element into a component. Then, in the Property Inspector, you click the plus sign next to the default state to add new states. Each state can have different colors, sizes, or text. In prototype mode, you connect these states using triggers like tap, hover, or drag. When someone interacts, the component smoothly transitions from one state to another. This makes your prototype feel more natural and realistic. You can use states for many things. Buttons that change color when hovered over or clicked, switches that flip between on and off, drop-down menus that expand or collapse, any element that needs to show different looks during interactions. A good tip is to plan your states before creating the main component. Think about all the different looks you want. Make sure to update the default state first so all other states stay consistent. Using states helps you avoid making multiple copies of the same element. It keeps your design system clean and easier to manage. Plus, testing your prototype becomes simpler because you can see all the interaction phases in one place. Mastering states in Adobe XD allows you to build more lively and convincing prototypes. They help you show how users will really interact with your design. This makes your work look polished and professional, all while saving time.